make this, we're starting with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, then we're adding 3/4 cups cocoa powder, and I used Hershey's unsweetened, 1.5 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoon baking powder, and then we're just adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Make sure you sift all these ingredients into your bowl. To a separate bowl, we're adding 2 eggs, 3/4 cups brown sugar, and 3/4 cups caster sugar. Then we're going to use our mixer to combine this until it's lighter in color and kind of a more airy texture. So once this is aerated and looks like this, we're going to stream in our oil, and we're using 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And we're going to continue combining this until it's fully incorporated and has a lighter texture. So not too long, a minute will do. Then we're adding all our dry ingredients that we sifted. Then to that, we're adding 3/4 cups whole milk. And then we're just gonna combine this by hand, slowly mixing it in. And once that is all mixed in, we add 3/4 cups of warm water. And this is how it should be. Alright, so here we're using a standard 9 by 13 baking pan that is buttered and floured, and added a sheet of parchment paper to the bottom. And this is baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 24 minutes, and a key tip: add a bowl of hot water in the oven. Alright, so to a separate bowl, we're adding 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate and 3/4 cups of warm, heavy cream, right? And then you let that sit so that the heat slowly melts the chocolate. Then you start to combine it with a whisk. And after the cake has cooled, we're just cutting it in mini squares. You could also do mini circles, however you'd like to assemble that. Then we add a layer of cake, some ganache, then another layer of cake, then we're topping that layer with some more ganache, and then some sprinkle of Ferrero Rocher. All right, so this is the end product. We topped it with some chocolate ganache and some Ferrero Rocher, with some Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher. What is the word?
Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher. That and a bit of like just chocolate. This is easy, like it's really easy. So you can just whip this up if you're craving chocolate cake. Let me know if you try the recipe in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.